Alright, so time for the solar tour. This was the most challenging part of the process for my van conversion, for my Nissan NV200 van conversion. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Check it out. Very clean on the roof. 300 watts of solar up there. For a small van, that's really good. Here's a look of how the solar setup looks on the side. Really clean and stealth. The way that I accomplished this was that bracket that you see right there, I made that, and I actually have the bolt going through the factory hole for the roof rack through the roof. So this is just a bolt, and this rail here is just one long rail that I bolted in all these panels in together with to combine them. I know it looks like one large piece, but it's 3 solar panels, 3 100-watt solar panels, so 300 watts altogether. Here's a look at the awning side. Now for the awning, the L brackets that it came with, I actually just put under the solar roof that you see. Normally the L bracket that you see connected to the awning, that would go to like the roof rack, but again, I just did a modification to the solar rack that I built. It came out really nice. It looks really clean on the side. Here's a look at the max fan that I have up. And look how close that is to the solar panel itself, but everything is squeezed in super tight. I wanted to try to make the max fan even closer to the back, but I couldn't because of structural things. But I'm just happy I was able to squeeze it in there. What you're looking at is an exact replica of the rack I put up on the roof. As you can see, they look the same size, and it's because they're exactly the same size. And the reason why I made this replica is because when I made this roof rack, it was too hard to keep on putting it on the roof, back off the roof, just to kind of make minor adjustments. And I didn't want to scratch up the paint. So I used this template to get all the exact dimensions I needed. And then I was able to only have to put my solar panel system up one time instead of keep on putting it up, keep on putting it down. And normally you have to keep on putting it up and putting it down just because, you know, something's off a little bit. And so you just need to keep on making those minor adjustments. I mean, if you guys are gonna put a solar system on your roof, it might not be a bad idea to make a quick template. This template here took me, less than 25 minutes to do, and it saved me a lot of time in the end, and a lot of scratches on the roof it saved me as well. Just wanted to get a really good look at the top before I move down to the electrical. So the coolest thing about this system is that I can take this solar roof off in less than 5 minutes. It's only 4 bolts. So really, probably in 4 minutes. And that way I can do modifications in the future. And plus, instead of using 36 screws, usually it's gonna be 12 screws per panel. In this case, I've eliminated all screws and have used 0 holes in this entire roof except for the max fan. So this solar setup has used no screws, which means 0 holes. Again, factory bolts that I used to strap it in. Let's check out the bottom area. So this is the setup. 100 amp hour battery. Now inside, you could add extra batteries right behind the storage area. There's room for an extra 3 to 4.